If you're buying an engine Borescope based on marketing photos alone, there's a good chance you're about to waste your money. I've seen people spend hundreds, sometimes thousands on engine repairs that could have been avoided with a proper inspection camera. Worse yet, a cheap Borescope with poor image quality can completely miss cylinder scoring, carbon buildup, valve damage, or piston issues hiding inside your engine. That's an expensive mistake. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best Borescopes for engines to help you find the right inspection tool, avoid costly surprises, and confidently diagnose problems before they become major repairs. And before we jump in, if you enjoy honest, no BS automotive reviews from someone who actually works on vehicles, hit that subscribe button. I keep these reviews practical, straightforward, and focused on real-world performance. I've also linked the latest deals in the description below. And if you're inspecting a specific engine or dealing with a mystery problem, leave a comment and I'll try to point you in the right direction. Starting off at number 5, we have the Akoth two-way articulating Borescope. Right out of the box, this feels like a serious step above the basic inspection cameras most people start with. The articulating camera head is the key feature here. Being able to bend and steer the camera inside tight engine spaces makes a huge difference when you're trying to inspect cylinder walls, piston crowns, intake runners, or hard-to-reach areas. The cable feels reasonably durable, and the integrated display keeps things simple without needing to connect to another device. In real-world use, this is a great option for mechanics who want to move beyond entry-level Borescopes. Here's where this really stands out. Directional control. Instead of blindly pushing the camera and hoping you find what you're looking for, you can actually steer toward problem areas. That makes inspections much faster and less frustrating. Compared to fixed-head Borescopes, the difference is night and day. The only drawback is that image quality isn't quite as sharp as some higher-end models on this list. Now this next one solves a problem many people don't realize they have until they're halfway through an inspection. At number 4, we've got the Dxtaz Dual Lens articulating Borescope with light. The dual lens setup is what immediately catches my attention. Instead of constantly rotating the camera to see different angles, you can switch viewpoints and inspect multiple surfaces more efficiently. The articulating tip adds another layer of flexibility, and the built-in lighting helps illuminate darker engine areas where details can easily disappear. In actual use, this Borescope saves time. A lot of time. This is what most people don't realize. When you're inspecting an engine, visibility matters just as much as image quality. Having multiple viewing angles helps you catch issues that a single lens camera can miss. Carbon buildup, scoring marks, valve deposits, they become easier to identify without constantly repositioning the camera. The learning curve is also surprisingly short. The only downside is that navigating between viewing modes takes a little practice at first. But now we're getting into tools that feel genuinely professional. Coming in at number 3 is the Foxwell Y400 two-way articulating Borescope. Foxwell has built a solid reputation among automotive enthusiasts and technicians, and the Y400 does a good job showing why. The articulating mechanism feels smooth and responsive, the display is clear, and the overall construction feels durable enough for frequent use. Nothing about it feels cheap or fragile. Here's where this really stands out in real-world engine inspections: reliability becomes everything. When you're halfway through diagnosing a potential engine issue, the last thing you want is a camera freezing up or losing image quality. The Foxwell performs consistently and provides the kind of confidence you need when evaluating expensive engine components. I found it especially useful for inspecting cylinders before purchasing used vehicles. That alone can save thousands of dollars. The only drawback is that it sits in a slightly higher price bracket than some budget-focused buyers may want. Now this next one hits a sweet spot that many serious mechanics and professionals are looking for. At number 2, we have the Teslong inspection camera dual lens Borescope. If you've spent any time researching Borescopes, you've probably seen Teslong mentioned repeatedly, and for good reason. The dual lens system is extremely useful, the image quality is excellent, and the camera design feels purpose-built for automotive inspections. The cable has a good balance of flexibility and rigidity, allowing you to guide it through spark plug holes and tight engine passages without constantly fighting it. In real-world use, this is one of the easiest Borescopes to recommend. Here's what most people don't realize. A great Borescope isn't just about seeing inside an engine, it's about identifying problems clearly enough to make confident repair decisions. The Teslong excels at that. Cylinder scoring, carbon buildup, valve condition, and piston damage are all easier to evaluate thanks to the crisp image quality. It feels dependable every time you use it. The only thing keeping it from the top spot is that some users may prefer even more articulation control. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top position is the Dxtaz two-way articulating borescope. This is the model that consistently impressed me throughout testing because it combines the features that matter most into one package. The articulating camera responds smoothly, the image quality is excellent, and navigating tight engine spaces feels effortless. Everything about it feels designed around practical engine diagnostics rather than flashy marketing features. In real-world inspections, this borescope delivers exactly what serious users want: control, clarity, and confidence. Here's where this really stands out: it allows you to inspect complex engine areas quickly without constantly repositioning the camera. That sounds simple, but when you're checking multiple cylinders or evaluating potential engine damage, that efficiency becomes incredibly valuable. Whether you're a professional technician, a dedicated D enthusiast, or someone shopping for a used vehicle, this tool helps you make informed decisions. Compared to cheaper borescopes, the overall experience feels significantly more refined. The only drawback is that first-time users may need a little practice learning how to maximize the articulating controls. At the end of the day, the best borescope depends on how serious you are about engine diagnostics. If you're looking for a capable entry point into articulating inspection cameras, the Akoth is a solid choice. The dual-lens Dxtaz offers better visibility and flexibility. The Foxwell Y400 delivers reliability and professional-level confidence. The Teslong provides outstanding image quality and overall value. But if you want the best balance of maneuverability, image clarity, and real-world engine inspection performance, the Dxtaz two-way articulating borescope earns the number 1 spot. A quality borescope can save you from buying a bad vehicle, help diagnose engine problems early, and prevent expensive repair surprises. That's why choosing the right one matters. One inspection could easily pay for the tool many times over. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and buying guides. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 borescopes and drop a comment below if you're diagnosing a specific engine issue. You now know more than most buyers before they spend their money. Go make the smart choice.